What I find interesting in this business is the continued resistance to public cloud. Clearly, when the Portfolio BI business launched back in the day, one of the very first pioneers of the public cloud, and of course, post-pandemic, there is a lot more adoption. But I think for a multitude of reasons, distrust, anxiousness, and really not a necessarily an inbuilt philosophical view of cybersecurity and security policies. So some clients or managers, let's say, are struggling to make that transition, but they really aren't going to be able to remain competitive in the market as they think about how they build efficiencies in their organizations from leveraging AI tools that some of us leverage day in, day out, then really make their businesses more robust and data orchestration more robust by thinking about how they execute well on AI strategies. So needing to embrace the public cloud and not using cybersecurity as a reaction to things that somebody else is asking them to do, such as investors and regulators, that they build the right culture of the most robust standard for them as an organization. All of these things sort of create this interesting intersection of cloud, cyber, and AI. I'd be interested to sort of hear your thoughts on how you're talking to clients about it.
It does, and it's interesting what you mentioned. Public cloud, it's so common now, and it was everyone were really quite averse towards it. And AI-driven cloud adoption and framework is really important, but needs to be done in a secure way. Cybersecurity cannot be just a necessity. It needs to be part of strategy. It needs to be part of internal policies. Internal procedures need to change, and the whole team needs to, and the companies and firms need to adapt to it, and it has to become part of culture. How to do it securely? It's to implement few technologies which are out there and accessible, like EDR, XDR, continuous patching, effective monitoring through Azure Sentinel or other monitoring tools. That's what will keep the firms secure while maintaining their AI strategies within public cloud.